Gina with WTI. I'm sure you'd agree with me that one of the most frustrating things in the kitchen is having unorganized food storage containers. That's why I love this set from Magicorange. They collapse down to what looks like another container's lid, which I think is amazing. It's such a great solution for keeping things tidy and capitalizing on the space that you have in your cupboards. It has given me so much joy to go through my containers and throw out the ones that I no longer need because I have these amazing collapsible ones instead. I think the color is just gorgeous, and not only that, but they're very functional. We've used these in our cupboards to hold things like roasted nuts, of course in our fridge, and it keeps things fresh and from turning stale. If you hear this noise when you squeeze the container, then you need to adjust the top tab. It either needs to be pushed in or there might be some debris under it. So just clean it, push it back in, and then it's airtight. I'm so happy that I found these collapsible food storage containers from Magicorange. It was something I really needed. If it's something that you need too, then I would recommend checking them out, and that's my point of view.